Thank you, Hope. Up next, we have Rose. Rose H, if you go ahead and unmute yourself, please. Hi,
Hello.
Rose.
Hi. Yes, I have two short questions. So first question is, where is the right resource to influence halal believers that the method of halal slaughtering is still kind of unhumanistic, even it's done to feed humans, right? And like halal believers, they guided by God, and for my opinion this guidance is kind of misleading. And the second question is about Ayurveda. Like with my Russian pronunciation, maybe I pronounce it wrong, but Ayurveda is ancient East Indian healing, maybe based on medicine belief of healing, which I love, but the Ayurveda still using ghee and milk with a lot of like recipes and so on. So what to do? Because kind of Ayurveda is very good subject, but still it's misleading.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sure. So halal, if people don't know, is a sanctioned, I think she talked a little bit about it, but a spiritually sanctioned meat in Islam Judaism? Wait, no, I said it right. Islam. Halal. So I honestly, I don't know a lot about it. I'm not going to get into that. It's not something that I know a great deal about. But to your second question about ghee and dairy, I actually find that in the religious culture that I have chosen, which is Hinduism and Jainism. I'm a converted Hindu/Jain, and that is absolutely an issue that I see all the time. So there's cultural things, and I think the best thing to do really is to find those vegans in those communities that can speak to those issues from a personal standpoint, or from a firsthand standpoint. So find someone that is within the tradition that's vegan and that is speaking up for the animals within that tradition, and then raise their voice, share their information. I think that's the best way to do that. Yeah, that's about all I'll have to say about that. I don't know a whole lot about that realm. Sorry.
Hope, thanks. In fact, Rose does have a follow-up question to that. So we're going to have her unmute one more time.
Yes, actually, you advised me to connect with the people who is Hindu, right? My ex-mother-in-law, she's East Indian woman. And I know everything about this culture, and I cook curry, and I know how to cook chicken curry, and I was very good with that, but I stopped to do all animal product. But grandma, she believes in yogurt, in milk, in cheese, and she is a Hindu vegan, and she kind of support to feed our kids with all this milk and yogurt products. That's it. Thank you.
Well, maybe next time you're visiting grandma, bring some non-dairy milk and have her try that. Yeah, I'm not sure. Just, people have deep-rooted cultures, and we have to be very respectful of that and show that, being kind to animals and to the planet is in line with their culture and with their religion. And it's because universally, the heart of all religions is care and compassion and love. So we just tap into that, try to have people understand that we're not trying to change their culture or their religion. We're just trying to help them to live more in line with their culture and tradition by being more compassionate and showing more love.